We're going to learn about the sounds of OR and WOR. OR has the sound of OR, like in the word or. For, horn, k, ord, cord, k, orc, cork. The car brand, Ford, fork, form, lord, p, orc, pork. Pork means meat from a pig. P, ort, port, sort, k, orn, corn, fort. CH says ch in this word. P, orch, porch. SH says sh, ort, short. OR says or. You can add an E to the end and it doesn't change the sound because the E would still have the O have its long sound. So this is more. SH says sh, shore, snore. CH says ch most of the time. Ch, or, chore. Sore, t, or, tore. T, orn, torn. Sk, or, score. Scored. B, or, bore. Bored. St, or, store. Stored. If this video is useful, please subscribe. OOR also has the sound of or, like in the word door, floor, p, or, pour. We can add suffixes, which are special endings we can add to the end of a word. ER says so this word is poorer. This is the suffix ly, poorly, poorest. ING says ing, flooring. We can also add prefixes, which we put at the beginning of a word. Indoor. OU says ow most of the time, so this is outdoor. The rest of this lesson is optional for younger students. While OR says or almost all the time, after a W, it often says So this word is word, worm, work, world. TH uses its most common sound of th in this word, worth. Y at the end of a longer word usually has a long E sound, worry. This E is silent and it does not change the sound of the O because the O is 3 letters in front of it instead of 2. So this word is worse, worst. Here are some words where WOR does not say were. Right here we have a silent E, which will make the O 2 letters in front of it have its long sound. So this word is war. The word warn is a different tense of war, so it has the same sound. Here again, we have a silent E, so this word is swore. Right here, we have the word sword, where the W is silent. Here are some of my other videos. I have the Syllable Division Bootcamp, where it has 8 rules to get better at reading very long words. My basic English reading videos are good for people learning English. My reading boot camps are a series of 10-day programs for boosting reading. I also have boot camps for improving your vocabulary, spelling, and mental math.